Hello and welcome to Teresa Treats. Today we are going to look at a very juicy and flavorful kebab. Yes, chicken Seekh Kebab. This is going to be the first recipe in my Ramadan series. So stay with me till the end and see how this juicy kebabs can really make you a hero in the kitchen. So let's get into the recipe. For the Seekh Kebab, we'll start by heating a pan and adding 2 teaspoons of salted butter. Once the butter melts, we will add whole spices. I'm going to add an inch of cinnamon stick and 3 cloves. It's very important not to add more than this, as it can alter not only the taste but also the look of the kebabs. Since I'm using 1 kg of chicken, I've measured the spices accordingly. Actually, in this dish, you should feel the flavor of the meat. The condiment should not overpower the meat smell. So that is why I'm insisting that not to add more than this masala, this whole masalas. We'll add 2 finely chopped onions to the pan. We'll saute them on very low flame until they turn translucent and golden. Again, we need to be very careful when sauteing them because we should be careful enough not to burn the onions, not to char the onions, because again, as I said, it will alter the taste and the look of the kebab. Now see how shiny and golden it looks, the pinkish color. This is how our onions should be the fried stage. Now I will go on to add 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. We'll fry the ginger garlic paste until the raw smell disappears. Then I will add 3 green chilies. If you prefer a spicier kebab, you can add more chilies, no worries. But as I said, this is a kebab where you need to feel the flavor of the meat. Any other masala should not be very dominant in the Seekh Kebab. So we will add the green chilies and we'll saute them. And next, I'm going to add a secret ingredient or a tip which will enhance the taste of the Seekh Kebabs. I'm adding here 3 to 4 cashews. This is totally optional. Cashews actually lend a very rich and nutty flavor to the kebab. So now we will saute everything well and we will also season with half a teaspoon of salt. So we fry them well along with the salt, and that's it. Our masalas are well cooked. We'll now need to cool it before grinding it to a coarse paste. In fact, while it cools, let's prepare the chicken. I have here 1 kg of boneless thigh piece. Why I'm taking thigh piece? Because they are softer and they ensure a juicy kebabs. So always prefer for a kebab, the thigh pieces works really well. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to cut the chicken into small pieces and then we will grind it along with the cooled masala, which I will grind it to a coarse paste. Now look at this. This is how coarse it is. Now I'll add it to the chicken. Now I'll mix it well with the chopped chicken and then we will add the remaining ingredients to the chicken. I have here, along with this masala, a cup of chopped coriander leaves, Next, 2 teaspoons of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of Cumin powder. Along with that, I am going to add here 2 eggs and salt to taste. Now again, salt please add accordingly because we've already added salt during the masala cooking stage. So it's important that you keep the salt level as per your taste. Now finally, I'm going to add here a juice of 1 lemon. So that's it. All our masalas are in the chicken now. Now we will nicely mix the entire chicken. In fact, we will really massage the chicken with this masala. So now that our chicken mixture is well incorporated with all the masalas, let's move to shaping the Seekh Kebabs. For this, I have taken bamboo skewers which are easily available in the market. The kebabs will be shaped according to the length of these skewers. To prevent sticking, I lightly oil my hands. Just a little is enough. Now I'll take a portion of the chicken mixture and roll it into a cylindrical shape around the skewer. Keep rotating the mixture around the skewer to form a perfect Seekh Kebab shape. So these kebabs can be stored in the deep freeze for at least a month. Now that we have shaped a few kebabs, let's fry them. I'm heating a pan and adding a mix of oil and butter. Butter enhances the flavor of the Seekh Kebabs, making them rich and delicious in taste. I'll place 4 kebabs in the pan and cook them on low flame in the first batch. If the shape isn't perfect, you can now gently press and adjust them using a flat spoon while frying. Chicken kebabs actually cook very quickly. So fry them for a few minutes on one side, and once they are lightly brown or little pinkish in color, flip them and cook the other side. You'll see a golden brown with a slight pinkish hue, and that's when you can remove them from the pan. So now can you see how beautiful they look? There's a shine on them, and they move very smoothly because that's how the kebabs, the masala that we add have all incorporated really well, and they don't burst. So this is how the kebabs looks. Look at them, how juicy they look and how tempting they are. So let me plate it and taste.